Vandana. Good.
Very warm welcome
Yeah,
to you.
good to see you. You.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम सब जानना
Uh-huh.
चाहेंगे कि आपकी जर्नी कैसे स्टार्ट हुई.
So my childhood was very checkered because my father was in the army. तो
ओके.
उनकी पोस्टिंग होती रहती थी. तो when पोस्टिंग होती है तो फिर नेचुरली द बैंड वैगन के साथ पूरी फैमिली भी चलती है.
यस यस
तो
यस.
उसमें that's why I changed many schools. So
ओह.
the other day I was sitting down and counting. I found that I changed at least 9 to 10 schools.
ओह रियली.
So that too. And like sometimes it was just 1 year me two schools, and sometimes it was like in one place I was for 4 years.
सो
So
डिड यू
quite a
लाइक इट
lot of
और यू जस्ट
different.
एडजस्टेड अकॉर्डिंग.
No, no, I was like very comfortable. जहाँ जाए फिर नए friends बन जाते थे. So then you get to learn so much.
यस
So
यस.
like majority of the part we were in Assam, Guwahati में.
ओके.
So for 4 years continuous, I was over there only. So it was a very beautiful place. We lived right on the river Brahmaputra. And in fact, flood time होता था तो पूरा पानी हमारे कंपाउंड के अंदर आ जाता था. So I grown up playing in the waters of Brahmaputra. As children, of course, we enjoyed it a lot. I was like a totally blank child, sort of focused on what my mother is saying, my parents are saying, and
ओके.
studies, that's all. Or कुछ भी focus नहीं. So not many friends also because we were not in cant areas. Cant area में रहो ना तो you have a lot of people around you.
राइट.
But cant area we only got when I was in 10th. Before that कोई cant area में नहीं रहे थे. So very limited friends, only the school friends were there. And just my brother and myself, my younger sister was there. Just the three of us used to be together. That's it. ऐसा कुछ खास नहीं कि कोई एलिमेंट से अट्रैक्शन है या कुछ और है.
तो आपने तब से कुछ प्लान किया था बिकॉज यू
So
आर
like
फ्रॉम दिस बैकग्राउंड, तो आपको भी आर्मी के मतलब अपने फ्यूचर के करियर के लिए कुछ चॉइस करने का माइंड में आया था कि आई विल गो दिस डायरेक्शन और
I
दैट
didn't have any
डायरेक्शन.
such choice. नहीं, नहीं. I wanted to become an air hostess, but my mother was totally against. Nothing doing. You're not going to become an air hostess.
ओके.
It's not a
बट
good
यू कुड हैव बिकम
place
वन.
to be in. So she didn't. Yeah.
ओके.
But that was not to be. That was not my life path. So it did not happen. So but I loved reading. So in fifth class itself, I got introduced to Enid Blyton. और
ओके.
उसकी जितनी किताबें मिलती थी सब पढ़ लेती थी मैं. So I
वाओ.
grew up with the famous Five and Secret Seven, loved those adventures, used to keep dreaming about those adventures only.
ओके.
So that's how my schooling went. Then college was stable because we were in Chandigarh at that time. So that 4 years of my college was stable. So after 10th, I went directly into college, pre-university they used to have.
ओके.
And then in final year itself, I got married. So mine was an early marriage. So then, of course, nothing after that. I barely complete. In fact, I completed my graduation also after my marriage.
ओह रियली. दैट्स नाइस.
Yeah,
सो
I was in final year when I got married, and in January I got married, and exams were in May, April, May. So I gave my exams after my marriage. But I had an encouraging atmosphere here in my in-laws' place, so they encouraged me to study. So after a year or so, I joined post-graduation correspondence from Punjab
सो व्हाट वाज
University.
योर फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट मैम.
I was fond of English, so I'd taken up English honors in college, and then I did post-graduation also in English. So in
ओके.
the first year itself, first year for post-graduation, my daughter was born. So in fact, when I was giving my exams, like my last exam was on 12th May, and my daughter was born on 16th May. So like
ओके.
the people used to be laughing at, look at this lady coming to give exams over here. So I've been through
वाओ.
that also.
Nowadays, it's becoming common, but back then it was rare to see in full term of pregnancy someone is in the examination hall. So that was really courageous of you, or maybe just the circumstances.
I was like had that initiative, I have to do it, I have to do it. Then I dropped 1 year because my baby was small, my daughter was small.
ओके।
and I did second year after a year. मेरी बड़ी वाली का नाम रूही है, छोटी का नाम जिया है।
ओके, सो मैम आपसे मैं पूछूंगी, क्योंकि आपको पूछ सकती हूँ कि आपको पता चला कि उन दोनों का पास्ट लाइफ का क्या कनेक्शन है आपके साथ?
I have tried, no, I have not tried as such to understand कि क्या connection है, but
हम्म।
छोटी वाली, बड़ी वाली तो didn't want to try because घर वाले ना they don't trust you, तो they don't want, they're the last people to want to come to you, तो इसलिए वो
राइट।
उनका मैंने नहीं किया, छोटी वाली का किया था, and she could see herself in a very troubled past, and in fact she felt that she was going to jump off a cliff, so she woke up, she said नहीं, nothing doing, I don't want to see anything more.
अच्छा अच्छा।
So she came out of that session. तो इसलिए
ओके
इनका
मैम।
पता नहीं, but there's definitely a connection.
सो यू वर वर्किंग समवेयर आफ्टर दैट?
No, I was like since the beginning, I was at home only. I was home manager, and it was a joint family I got married into, and
यस।
they were not in favor of working wives, so it never happened. So in that time, it was not in the trend also. So, but I
यस यस।
always wanted to do something. So I became very active in my daughter's school.
ओके।
So I used to keep helping out over there. And once or twice I like was a stand-in teacher also. But that made me sure that I don't want to go into the teaching line for school because it was not my cup of tea के 5 बजे सवेरे उठ के सारे काम करके जाओ फिर वापस
ओके,
आके फिर
मतलब
काम करो, मैं कहा मेरे बस की नहीं है।
बिकॉज ऑफ द शेड्यूल, अदरवाइज यू वुड हैव बीन अ वेरी वेरी नाइस
या
टीचर।
इट वाज वेरी
मुझे
हेक्टिक।
तो ऐसे फेवरेट टीचर्स लगते हैं मुझे, आपके जैसे
या नहीं
टीचर्स।
ये मुझे डांट पड़ी, मिसेस मिनोजा आप अपनी क्लास को हैंडल नहीं कर रहे हो, शोर मचा रहे हैं बच्चे। मुझे डांट पिटी थी एक दो बारी वहां पे।
ओके।
But the kids enjoyed it because I like to do activity based stuff. With my own children, I also used to teach them through activities. So that was what I was doing in class also. But that was not approved by the management. So I got a pull up, okay, your class is making a lot of noise.
ओके ओके।
So that's why I didn't go into the teaching profession. But then there was this desire in me. So when I turned 40, I said, okay, now it's high time to move out, do something. So I just happened to come across an ad in the paper for instructors, language instructors.
ओके।
And they were like, it was a flexible part-time job. So I thought, let me go for it, try for it. So I asked my husband if I can go. He said, yeah, yeah, go. Nobody's going to choose you. I said, what if they do? He said, okay, then I'll let you go. I'll let you work. Because earlier we were of that mindset that we need that permission to go and work. आजकल के तो पूछते नहीं, and in fact आजकल तो it is better to be settled before you get married.
यस यस मैम,
But
थिंग्स हैव
वो पुराने
चेंज्ड।
school old school thought ऐसे नहीं थे.
राइट।
Yeah. So anyway, I
तो
went for the interview, and by the grace of God, I cleared all their levels, all five of them, and I was selected as an instructor at InLingua.
so until then you were
So
not at
then my
all
journey as a
connected to
teacher
this
started. Not even connected to spirituality, nothing, not at all. Nobody was interested, I had no idea about it also. And I was तो total नास्तिक also. मैं कोई वो पूजा पाठ कुछ भी नहीं करती थी। तो
अच्छा,
घर में बहुत
मतलब
रिलीजियस थे लोग, सारे बहुत रिचुअल्स वगैरह करते थे, बट
अच्छा अच्छा।
आई वाज नॉट इनटू इट एट ऑल।